This is Groovy Space, and today we are in Brayside, Victoria 3195. We got an outdoor unit, and the size of the unit is 3 meter wide, 3 meter deep, and 3 meter high. Outdoor drive-up unit. Nothing is tested, so there's no warranty or guarantee. Once sold, everything to be removed, nothing to be left behind. There's a $250 cash deposit. Once you empty the unit, we'll refund you back the $250 cash deposit. It's a dining table with 6 chairs. It's very dusty here. Everything is very dusty. So stain on the cushion. There's a mattress here. Looks like it's a double size. This side looks okay. The other side is unknown. I'm going to show you just part of it. Another one there. This looks like it's a queen size. It's covered. Now we got it's a 5-seater sofa, 3-piece 5-seater. 2 of it looks like it's reclined. I think these are recliners. Yes, they are recliners. I believe they're recliners. Double check. Yes, they are recliners here. So the 2-seater is recliners. The 2 single-seater is recliner, and this one is also. I assume this will be a recliner, so it's the other end but not the center. It's very dusty, so from what I can see, it appears to be okay here without lifting it up. It looks alright just looking at it without removing the rest of it unknown. Once again, this is in Brayside, Victoria 3195. You got 5 from at the end of the auction. You got 5 days to clear it from the end of the auction. Thank you for watching.